Good afternoon. My name is Deloria Dunlap, and I support the bill set forth by Senator Jan Jones to amend the Child Nutrition Reauthorization Act because it introduces BMI parameters into our nation's schools through federally funded meal programs. And long term, I think this could benefit families and children who are struggling with obesity. Briefly, I'd like to bring to your attention accurate health data collected. Interviews were given to include questions about state laws pertaining to physicals that children undergo for school, and sources of surveillance data that exist for pending legislation mandates collection of this for children's BMIs. And results out of many states found that measures through school physical examinations were given, and it was consistent with the increase in BMIs with schools. Additionally, in a body mass index summary from the CDC and prevention, information pertaining to how we utilize BMI to enhance versatility and nuances in the policy was also given. And the following indicators from the summary stated that from the Institute of Medicine, the federal government's to develop guidelines and BMI measures would be a plus. With these recommendations given from the Institute of Medicine, I think that it would help to increase the bill's proposal and help the guidelines come full circle. Alternatives for the proposal guidelines set forth by the American Academy for Pediatrics suggest that adopting the Let's Go 5-to-1 program to promote locally and nationally broad consumptions might be indicated also. And 5 indicates at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables daily. 2, limit the increase to screen times of 2 hours, no more than 2 hours a day. 1, obtain physical activity. And 0, consume 0 sugary beverages. The implementations for these strategies must involve stakeholders like the community, families, physicians, and educators, as well as our government. And we know that this won't be a quick fix, but through the proposed bill from Senator Jones, I believe the initial groundwork would be there to help with the epidemic crisis. Thank you for your time.